Yes, children, once again I am here. Do some more important question of exercise 5.5. In the last videos we have done some questions. Exercise 5.5 once again. Do some more questions. We have question number 12, x raised to power y plus y raised to power x. Question number 12, x x x raised to power y plus y raised to power x is equal to 1. This is the question that we have to do the differentiation. Once again, children, I have told you already. I have told you these are two separate questions because there is a plus sign between them. So take this one is u and this one is v. Okay, so u plus v is equal to 1. So du by dx plus dv by dx is equal to 0. Du by dx plus dv by dx is equal to 0. So we have to do both the questions separately. So first of all, u x raised to power y, u is equal to x raised to power y, and v is equal to y raised to power x. Now take log both this side. Log u is equal to x raised log x raised to power y. Now y will come here. One upon u du by dx. No. Log u is equal to y log x. Now y is the first function, log x is the second function. So log u will become 1 upon u du by dx is equal to y is the first function. Differentiation of log x 1 upon x plus log x will be the second function, and differentiation of first function y dy by dx. So du by dx is equal to u into y upon x plus log x into dy by dx. So this was the differentiation of the first part. Now differentiation of the second part. Take log both this side. Log v is equal to x log y. 1 upon v. We can apply product rule here. 1 upon v dv by dx is equal to x into 1 upon y dy by dx. First function is x. Differentiation of log y 1 upon y, और y का differentiation dy by dx plus log y and differentiation of x is 1. dv by dx is equal to v into x upon y into dy by dx, x upon y into dy by dx plus log y. So putting the value of u and v, now we can assemble these two separate parts. We can assemble. So du by dx, what was the answer? Du by dx, what will be the final answer? Du by dx plus dv by dx. So du by dx is equal to u into y upon x plus log x into dy by dx. This was the first part. Now second part, v into x upon y dy by dx plus log y. Now equal to 0. Now putting the value of u and v also. U, what was u? That is x raised to power y, and what was v? That is y raised to power x. So x raised to power y upon x plus log x into dy by dx plus v, what was v? Y raised to power x upon y dy by dx plus log y equal to 0. These term, multiply these term inside. X raised to power y. X raised to power y into y upon x plus x raised to power y into log x into dy by dx plus x into y raised to power x upon y into dy by dx plus y raised to power x into log y equal to 0. यहाँ x की पावर 1 है और यहाँ x की पावर y है, तो बच्चों एक वैल्यू यहाँ कम हो जाएगी y रेज़ टू पावर -1. सिमिलरली हियर y से y कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो यहाँ एक पावर कम हो जाएगी. तो हियर यू कैन राइट y इंटू एक्स रेज़ टू पावर y -1 प्लस x रेज़ टू पावर y log x इंटू dy by dx प्लस x into y raised to power x minus 1 into dy by dx plus y raised to power x log y. Now take dy by dx common from here and from here. Take dy by dx common. X raised to power y log x and y x into y raised to power x minus 1. X into y raised to power x minus 1 is equal to minus y raised to power x log y minus y into x raised to power y minus 1. Further you can write, children, dy by dx is equal to, take minus y minus common, y raised to power x log y plus y into x raised to power y minus 1. X raised to power y log x plus x into y raised to power x minus 1. This is the final answer. Because I have learned the previous part, so I am starting from here, assembling these two parts. Putting the value of u, that was x raised to power y, putting the value of v, that was y raised to power x. Multiply these terms inside the bracket. So you can get x raised to power y upon x raised to power y into y upon x. X raised to power y into log x into dy by dx plus x into y raised to power x upon y into dy by dx plus y raised to power x into log y. After cancelling, we are getting this term y into x raised to power y minus 1 x raised to power y log x into dy by dx plus x raised to power x into y raised to power x minus 1 dy by dx plus y raised to power x into log y. Taking dy by dx common from these two terms, these two terms will go to right hand side, taking minus sign outside, taking minus sign common outside, and this term will go down, and the total answer will become minus y raised to power x log y plus y into x raised to power y minus 1 upon x raised to power y into log x plus x y raised to power x minus 1. So do this question, children, 2-3 times because this is very large question. Now do one more question like this. Y raised to power x plus x raised to power y. Now question number 13. Y raised to power x is equal to x raised to power y. Question number 13, children. Y raised to power x is equal to x raised to power y. This question is totally different from question number 12 because we have equal to sign among them. So we can take log directly in both the sides. Log y raised to power x is equal to log x raised to power y. So this will become x log y. X log y is equal to y log x. So in both the side we can apply product rule. So this is first function, this is second function, this is again first function, this will be the second function. So in both the side together we can do this question both the side. So first function differentiation of second, x is the first function, differentiation of log y 1 upon y, and differentiation of y dy by dx plus log y, and differentiation of x is 1 is equal to y, the differentiation of log x is 1 upon x plus log x, and differentiation of y is dy by dx. Once again, children, these are two functions, so we can apply product rule. First function differentiation of second, differentiation of log y is 1 upon y, and differentiation of y is dy by dx. Similarly, log y is second function, so differentiation of x is 1. Similarly, here also y is first function, log x, differentiation of log x is 1 upon x plus log x as it is, differentiation of y is dy by dx. Now take dy by dx common from both the sides. So dy by dx common. Here we can get x upon y minus log x is equal to y upon x minus log y. dy by dx x minus y log x is equal to y minus x log y is equal to y minus x log y upon x. So further we can write dy by dx is equal to y upon x, y minus x log y upon x minus y log x, x minus y log x. So this is the final answer. Now same situation, children. Once again I am repeating this question. We are having y raised to power x equal to x raised to power y. So we can apply log both the side together. So here you will get x into log y, and here you will get y into log x. So here we can apply product rule. Again here we can apply product rule. First function differentiation of second plus second function differentiation of first. Similarly, first function differentiation of second plus second function, that is log x, and differentiation of first, that is dy by dx. Take dy by dx from both the side. Take dy by dx common from both the side. So dy by dx here we will get x upon y. x upon y minus this log x. जब ये टर्म उधर आएगी तो ये माइनस log x बन जाएगा और इस टर्म को उधर ले जाएंगे. So y upon x, this is y upon x minus log y. So dy by dx taking LCM, x into x minus y log x upon y is equal to y minus x log y upon x. So further we can write this ये वाला y यहाँ चला जाएगा, ये वाला x बाहर आ जाएगा. So this will become y upon x. So y minus x log y minus x log y upon x minus y log x. So this is the final answer of this question. And that is also the end of this exercise. Tomorrow I will start the next exercise, children. Thank you.